Hello, people of the world! Today I'm showing you how you can convert one type of image file, like a PNG or TIFF, to another type of image file, like a JPEG or a PDF. Sometimes your iOS apps save your images as one file type, but you need a different file type for a desktop application. I made this video specifically to go with my video about how to change your playlist cover on Spotify. You can see here some of my image files are grayed out, which means they are not supported by this application. You can see supported image file types in the drop-down menu. First, get your image off your phone and save it to your desktop. I use Messenger to send myself things because I'm lazy, but there's definitely better ways. Double-click the image file to open it in Preview. Hover your cursor over File and click Export. It will open up this window. Rename your file so it's easier to find later. I named mine Test Image. Ooh, so creative. Decide where on your computer you want to save your image. I usually choose Downloads. The Format menu gives you different file types. The most universal for web is JPEG. I always set my image quality to best because you want to put your best foot forward. Click Save. Now your image is saved as a JPEG. Use it for Spotify, Facebook, Tumblr, WordPress, or whatever. If you have a specific question, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have fun with those images.